Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. Viewers, if you like my videos, then don't forget to leave a comment. February 2020 Virgo horoscope is indicating that Virgo individuals should concentrate on some important ventures. The impetus of advancing planets will see them through successfully. Planetary strength is almost equally distributed between the northern and southern halves of the horoscope after the 18th. Also, most of the planets are in the western, social half of the chart. Hence, Zodiac 2020 predictions are forcing you to strike a balance between external objectives and spirituality. Professional ambitions and domestic affairs require the same priority. Independence and collaboration have to be balanced. Your actions should be tempered with sensitivity. Allow things to take their own course and wait for things to come about. Actions and emotions are equally essential for Virgo personality. Virgo love and relationship horoscope. Virgo compatibility will be based on spirituality during February 2020. Love will be passionate and imaginative. There will be a good rapport with your spouse until the 17th of the month. After that, you are lost in your own thoughts. Overall, marital life will be pleasant. Singles will be torn between the impetuosity of Mars and the vacillation of Venus while forming love relationships. There will be plenty of opportunities for alliances. Keep your eyes wide open at your workplace and social gatherings. A spiritual connection will complete the affair. Virgo family horoscope predictions. February 2020 monthly horoscope predictions do not promise a happy time for family relationships. Harmony will be missing and you will have perennial problems with the members of the opposite sex. Family expenses tend to overshoot and it requires all your intelligence to balance the budget. A lot of patience and diplomacy will be necessary from your side to manage family affairs. Virgo health predictions. As per the monthly 2020 horoscope forecast, health will be fabulous till the 18th of the month. After that it becomes fragile and you have to be careful about your activities. Health can be maintained through a good fitness routine and a good diet. On the whole, health will be promising and there is no need for panic. Virgo career horoscope 2020 Virgo horoscope for career prospects predicts good times for professionals during February 2020. You will be able to accomplish your targets at the office with the help of your colleagues and the management. The working environment will be cordial and there will not be any pressure to finish your targets. Professional trips will yield considerable gains. You can take up bigger responsibilities and you will have no problem in completing them. Virgo finance horoscope 2020 February forecast for Virgo for finances anticipates good tidings for finances. Income flow will be smooth and fast. Businessmen will be blessed with good earnings. You will have surplus money to clear your pending loans. Money for investments can also be obtained easily. You have the help of your spouse in finances. The planetary positions will allow you to facilitate the financial growth of others. However, be cautious while spending money, and there is no place for complacency during the 2020 Mercury retrograde. Virgo education horoscope February astrology 2020 for Virgo for students forecast a good month for the educational careers of students. Technical students will be able to achieve resounding success in their exams. The month is propitious for people engaged in artistic and creative fields. If you are appearing for a competitive exam, you require additional instructions. Virgo travel horoscope according to February 2020 horoscope for Virgo, aspects of stars are generally not optimistic for travel. Foreign trips are also indicated. Many of the travels may not be required.